2 more. Alright, they did it, so I'm doing it. Don't sue me. More water. Another creek crossing. I want to give Trent a chance to catch up here so he knows which way we're going. Just gonna let him see which way we're going. Forgot about this one. Wow, I've never seen this like this. We are here, what we like to call Deer Hunter's Cabin. So I was here in 2019 and I did a video then, but just in case you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna go through and show this again. Growing up, we always called this Deer Hunter's Cabin. Here's what I'll do. Last time I went in through the other door and came out this door, so this time I will go in this door. So yeah, it's a bit of a fixer-upper. Put a good 2,000 to 3,000 in her and she'll be ready to move in. Huh, there's actually a logbook. That's funny. I gotta tell y'all, I really like this new phone. The camera does the low light so well because it is pretty dark in here. All right, so I have signed the little guest book here. Better than writing your name on the walls of this. And I had to, you know, promote the YouTube channel. So, you know, I don't think I'd spend the night in here. Really don't think I'd spend the night in here. But it's cool to check out. I like going in all these old structures out here. Exploring, just thinking about all the history of, you know, when it was first built. Pretty cool.
Get to sleep.
Here at Phoenix Park Falls. I think I've seen it called Phoenix Falls before on a map, but went past it a little bit. And Nathan's trying to, he climbed all the way to the top, but I got to this spot that I just couldn't, I got jelly legs. So I couldn't climb it anymore. Let me show you where he's at. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, he climbed all the way to the top and went to stood above the top of the waterfall. But I couldn't make it, so I got jelly legs from climbing up all this. We had to park our four-wheelers all the way down there. then walk a mile to the bottom of the falls, I think, and then climbed up even farther. I'm taking this video for insurance purposes.
What?
Taking this video for insurance purposes.
It was my own free will, right?
Jonathan and Trent went back down the hill. Made it.
Made it. Sorry.
Yeah, like a dummy, I tried to go up over here before I realized this was easier over here.
Oh, where did I go up? I can't even remember where I went up. I may have gone up right here.
That's where I started, and then I was like, well, there's a flat spot over here.
No, I came over here. I may have come right across here.
Made it back down to the base of the waterfall. And I said this last time I was here. Couldn't hurt to say it again. But in 2007, Laura, my wife, came with us, me and my family, out here. It was her first time. And I actually proposed to her right here at this waterfall. That was in 2007, so. Pretty awesome. There's maybe 3 or 4 times as much water this year as there was in 2019 when we came here. Again, I apologize for not bringing my stabilizer. My hands are all shaky. But hopefully the phone's internal stabilizer helps. But yeah, Nathan just climbed up to the top up there. Right up there. Like I said, I tried, but my jelly leg got so bad, couldn't even step properly. In that area, one slip and you'd be on a trip to the hospital. All right, we made it back down here to the cabin. Yeah, it was definitely rockier than it was 2 years ago when I was here, but it was still fun. Going the other way is a little bit easier because there's not as much climbing. It's mostly downhill. And there's also, you just got a little sprinkle. You can see some dark clouds. Ooh, I just got bit by a mosquito. Anyway, gonna head back. We gotta be back to return the rental somewhere between 4:30 and 5. Then we'll be heading back to camp. Maybe grab a bite to eat while we're in town. That'd be the best thing. Anyway, see you in a bit. This is kind of cool actually, but a little bit worried about the corrosion. And I'll tell you another thing. It just got super hot. And me being a dummy, I forgot to put on sunscreen. So I'm gonna be looking like a lobster. Two more. Got 2 more. It's a pretty cool valley. I wanted to stop and show Trent something, so I'll wait here till he gets here. There's a secret trail over here and I'm not going to divulge its location. on video because there's only a few people who know about it. And you're not supposed to go there, so I don't want a bunch of people online deciding to go try and find the trail. You can see the waterfall, maybe you can see it from here on my camera. Gotta make sure nobody's coming. Thing about going down this is you have a little bit more time to choose your line. And when I'm going up this, since I gotta power up it, gotta just choose within a split second. I don't know why I'm telling you all this, but I'm just saying. In case any of you ever come out here with a sport quad, I'm just trying to prepare you for what you got to deal with. So, hope I'm being helpful. So another pro tip out here, if you ride a four-wheeler, especially a sport quad, if you go on this trail, check all your screws, all your important screws when you get to the top to make sure nothing's rattled out. When I was maybe 14 or so, I came out here, rode my three-wheeler. Yeah, I had a 350X Honda three-wheeler, and it rattled my toolbox off. Lost all my tools. So that wasn't fun. Okay, I'll let them catch up a bit. Yeah, before I forget, I had this idea, and I'm hoping it'll happen in my lifetime, but it would be so cool if you could get, you know, like satellite internet connection enough to do live streaming. If you could live stream trail riding, I think that would be one of the coolest things you could ever do. But for now, I'm stuck doing these pre-recorded and y'all get muddy?
Oh man, did we ever? Not mean to, but we're like, we don't have a choice, bro.
Yep. I got another interesting factoid. I never use my back brakes out here. I only ever use my front brakes, even if I'm going downhill. And I feather the brake. I don't ever just yank it back. And if you're musician nerds, I feather it at about 120 beats per minute. Oh, somebody hit that rock. It had a big scrape mark and a big chunk out of it. And that one. Yeah, they had so much rain this summer, it washed all the dirt away around these rocks. And they are just sticking up everywhere. So I know I keep giving y'all these tips. Some of y'all may be of a different opinion. But when I'm going downhill, I actually like to go in the bigger rocks because it helps keep me from having to use my brakes. Once again, I'm going to wait for them here because we're about to get back into the rough section. And then I got one big climb I gotta do. So it should be interesting. Oh, that one scraped. Hit the old skid plate. Never seems as bad going down as it does when you're climbing it. There's just so many loose rocks. All right, and we made it. Oh.
Yeah, that was pretty fun. So how was that on like difficulty level?
Difficulty level is it's not that difficult, it's just rough.
I love when we went through all the.
I don't think we can surpass the waterfall.
I think we went to the waterfall. That was pretty darn good.
It is almost 3. We can kind of take our time and go that way down the Creede, and then
Awesome.
we can stop and see some of the mines and stuff. Ooh, I'll show y'all where, well, I'll tell you the story when we get there. So I've got a 256 gigabyte micro SD card on this. You can shoot all day.
So you're crushing it. Have you just been recording the entire time, or do you stop when you get off?
Every time I stop on the trail, I stop it and restart it.
Gotcha.
Just so the video files aren't huge. I want to get a video of Trent coming down.
Yeah, Trent.
Okay, so that's why they call it Phoenix Park, where we just went. This was a Phoenix Park mill.